The 737 is made for easy and fast turnarounds. It is serviceable from the right side, while passengers load from the left. Let's look at the systems that are supplied power externally, are serviceable by the ground crew, and the procedures to prevent damage when the airplane is parked or towed. Three systems can be supplied power externally when the APU or engines are off. They are the electrical system, the cabin air conditioning system, and the pneumatic system. There are 8 systems where servicing can be necessary. The crew oxygen, the integrated drive generator oil system, the engine oil system, the single-point refuel system, the 3 hydraulic systems, the lavatory waste or wastewater system, the drinking or potable water system, and the auxiliary power unit oil system. All landing gear down lock pins must be installed when the 737 is parked or towed. The nose landing gear steering must also be depressurized before the airplane is towed. Three systems can be powered externally. They supply conditioned air to the cabin, electricity to the transfer and ground service buses, and pneumatics to start the engines and operate the packs. An external electrical panel is located on the right front fuselage. 400 Hz 115 volt AC for aircraft systems, and 60 Hz 115 volt AC to service the cabin is supplied to the 737 at this connection. When the packs are off, the cabin is supplied with heated or cooled air through the ground-conditioned air connector on the center underside of the fuselage. Pressurized air to start engines and operate the packs is supplied to the pneumatic connection on the right forward wing root section. Now let's look at the systems that must be serviced. Crew oxygen is serviced by removing and replacing the oxygen cylinder. The cylinder is stored on the aft bulkhead in the electronic equipment compartment. It is replaced through the forward cargo compartment. The engine oil reservoir is behind the panel on the right front engine cowling. The reservoir servicing can be done between 5 and 30 minutes after engine shutdown. The integrated drive generators are installed on the left side of the engines. The IDG is behind the panel on the left forward cowling of each engine. The 737 is fueled and defueled at the single-point fuel station in the right wing. The fuel station is also used for ground transfer of fuel between tanks. The hydraulic systems are serviceable in the right main landing gear wheel well. The A and B hydraulic system reservoirs are on the forward bulkhead. The standby hydraulic system reservoir servicing is done through the B reservoir system. Lavatory wastewater is held in one tank, and servicing is done at the panel forward and below the aft entry door. Potable or drinking water is available in the galleys and lavatories from one tank. The tank is serviceable at the access panel aft and below the cabin aft servicing door. The 737 is made for servicing from the right side, but the APU servicing is done at the panel below the left stabilizer. Select a servicing item for review. All three gear down lock pins must be installed when the 737 is parked. Also, hydraulic system A pressure must be removed from the nose wheel steering system before the 737 is towed. The nose wheel steering is depressurized with the towing lever. The towing lever is spring-loaded to off. Put the down lock pin in the lever pinhole to hold the lever on. A down lock pin must be installed into the down lock link to keep the nose gear locked. The main landing gear down lock pin is installed in the downlink pinhole. The pin stops landing gear collapse when hydraulic pressure is removed.